Today I will be talking about how you can get the kids, especially the teenagers, to eat healthy at home. Getting kids to eat healthy and make the right choice can be very challenging at times. But try to understand it's a changing time for them too, as they're getting more independent and want to make their own decisions. They might like something one week and the next week they might just dislike the same thing. Usually what we see is they always succumb to peer pressure. They might want to eat just pizza every day because their friend is doing the same. One of the best things you can do is be a good role model. Offer them healthy foods and enjoy eating it with them. Involve them in grocery shopping and menu planning. During grocery shopping, they will learn about food groups, understanding the food labels. Menu planning is a great way to get the kids interested in healthy eating. They tend to eat better when they have a say, no matter in how many meals. Here are some easy tips for healthy eating. Stock up some healthy snacks like nachni crackers with a healthy dip like hummus for them at home, which will deter them from choosing a bag of chips. Stock their favorite fruits, so many in season: custard apple, cherry, peach, plum. Make sure to keep it in clear sight, right in front in the fridge. Keep jars of dry fruits and nuts in the visible area. They eat what they see. For those who drink a lot of cola, try this experiment with them. In a glass, add the same quantity of sugar as Coke. So a 320 ml can of Coke contains about 33 grams of sugar. That is 6.5 teaspoons of sugar. Now they would argue to have diet or zero sugar Coke. But this is more harmful as it contains artificial sweetener. Try healthier homemade options like lemonade, fresh fruit juice, ginger ale, flavored water. Teenagers love pizza. Make them a healthy version using a whole wheat pizza base with lots of veggies of their choice, and grate some fresh homemade paneer instead of cheese. For burgers, bake the patties. You can make falafel patties which uses chickpeas instead of potato. When baking, use whole wheat flour instead of refined flour, coconut sugar or jaggery instead of refined sugar. If you are adding jaggery, you can reduce the quantity by sweetening with dates or banana. Coconut oil can be used instead of butter as it returns to solid at room temperature. Or if you want to use butter only, then reduce the quantity by combining it with homemade sauces like either pumpkin sauce or some apple sauce. Remember, one thing you never tell a teenager is this food is healthy, because they are not interested to know what is healthy and what is not. So you rather tell them this is available or this is yum. Don't get discouraged. This is the time where lots is changing for them. So this will change too. If you found this video informative, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.